Hey there, welcome to today's tutorial where I'll walk you through how to connect your Excel file directly to Power BI. If you've ever wanted a simple way to visualize and analyze your Excel data with all the awesome power that Power BI offers, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to link your Excel file, even if it's stored online, right into Power BI, ready for creating interactive reports and dashboards. So let's dive right in and get started. Alright, to begin, open up Power BI on your computer. If you haven't used it before, Power BI is Microsoft's powerful tool for creating data visualizations, and it pairs beautifully with Excel files. Once Power BI is up and running, look up at the very top where you'll see a set of tabs, kind of like your navigation dashboard. You want to make sure you're on the Home tab, which is usually selected by default when you launch the program. The Home tab is where you'll find most of the essential tools that help you bring new data into your project. From the Home tab, look for the icon that says Get Data. It's usually right there near the left-hand side, and it basically functions as the front door for importing all sorts of data sources, not just Excel. Go ahead and click that. If you hover over it, you might see a quick description pop up. Now you'll see a menu drop down with a variety of options for different data sources, Excel, SQL databases, and more. For this method, though, pick the one labeled Web. Clicking Web might sound a bit strange if you're used to uploading files directly from your computer, but this option is perfect when your Excel file lives online, like in OneDrive, SharePoint, or somewhere else in the cloud. Here's the part where it all comes together. You'll need the web address or URL of your Excel file, so open up your online account, navigate to your Excel file, and copy its link. Make sure it's the direct link to the file and not just to the folder it's in. Sometimes you'll find a share option or copy link button, which makes this step super straightforward. Now come back to Power BI and paste that URL right into the text box that appears. Double check it's correct, no extra spaces or missing characters, because a tiny typo can trip things up here. Don't worry if it takes a second to load. Connecting to online sources can be just a bit slower than local files. Once Power BI connects with your Excel file, you'll see a navigator window pop up showing the different sheets or tables inside your file. Not seeing the data right away? No stress, it may take a moment for everything to show up, especially if the file is on the larger side. Now just select the table or worksheet you want to bring into Power BI. Once you click it, you'll get a quick preview so you can be sure it's the data you meant to pull in. To finalize things, simply click the Load button at the bottom. Power BI will now import your data and display it in the data section on the right side. From here, it's almost like working with digital Lego blocks. You can just drag the table or fields right onto the main report area, your digital blank canvas. Rearranging and customizing your report is half the fun, so don't be afraid to experiment a little. That's really all it takes. Connecting your online Excel data to Power BI might seem daunting at first, but once you do it step by step, it's actually pretty smooth, and it opens up a ton of opportunities for analysis and reporting. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you've got any questions or you hit a snag, just drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. And if you're interested in more Power BI or Excel tutorials, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.